In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pan the canvas in Draw.io. Panning the canvas is a simple but really important skill when you're working on diagrams, flowcharts, or any kind of visual layout. As your diagram gets bigger, it won't all fit on the screen at once, and that's where panning comes in. Instead of zooming in and out constantly, you can just move the entire canvas around to focus on the area you need. First, open your diagram in Draw.io. If you're starting fresh, you'll typically see something like an untitled diagram on a blank canvas with the Shapes panel on the left, the canvas in the center, and formatting options on the right. Make sure your mouse is over the canvas area, not on a menu or panel. To enable panning, press and hold the spacebar on your keyboard. While you're holding the spacebar down, your cursor will switch from whatever tool you were using, like the Selection or Shape tool, into a hand icon. This hand icon tells you that panning mode is active. Now, while still holding the spacebar, press and hold the right mouse button on the canvas. With both the spacebar and the right mouse button held down, move your mouse in any direction. You'll see the entire canvas move with your mouse, letting you navigate to different parts of your diagram without changing the zoom level. If your diagram is large, you can use this motion to smoothly explore different sections. Drag up to move to content that's lower on the page. Drag left or right to see areas that are off-screen, and so on. Release the mouse button when you've reached the area you want to work on, and then release the spacebar to go back to your regular tool. A couple of tips here. If the canvas doesn't move, double-check that your cursor is actually over the white drawing area and not on a panel or toolbar. Also, remember that you need to keep the spacebar held down the entire time you're dragging. If you let go of it, you'll switch back to your normal tool and might accidentally select or move shapes instead of panning. Once you get used to this shortcut, it becomes a very natural way to navigate around complex diagrams. It keeps your workflow smooth and lets you stay focused on building your diagram instead of fighting with the interface. And that's all there is to it. Hold space, right-click, and drag to pan the canvas in Draw.io.